Buying a home isn't confusing, you're just missing the timeline. Hey, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. Today I'm giving you a simple week-by-week buyer timeline. What usually happens, what to prepare for, and where delays typically pop up. This is general guidance, not legal or financial advice, and every transaction can vary. But if you want the process to feel predictable, this is the map. Stay to the end for my 2 decisions that make the whole timeline smoother. Week 0, prep. This is where wins happen. People think the process starts when you tour homes. It actually starts when you prepare. Prep means clarify budget, comfort, gather documents, define must-haves, and create a touring plan. When you prep, you move faster when the right home appears, and speed can be a competitive advantage. Prep buys you speed and calm. Now week 1 and 2, touring. Here's how to do it without burning out. Weeks 1 and 2, touring with a system. Without a system, buyers tour too many homes and get confused. You need a filter, top 3 non-negotiables and top 3 flex items. Tour in batches, take the same photos each time, and do a quick post-tour rating. Would I be excited to live here on a Tuesday? That's the truth test. Touring without a system creates confusion. Week 2 and 3, you find the one and submit an offer. Here's what happens next. Offers feel emotional because timelines tighten. After you submit, you may negotiate price, terms, and timing. Your goal is a clean path to contract. Once accepted, the clock starts moving quickly, so you want your inspections and next steps lined up. Acceptance isn't the end, it's the start of the next phase. Week 3 and 4, inspection and due diligence, where buyers either feel empowered or panicked. This is where reality meets emotion. You inspect, review findings, and decide what's meaningful. Triage, safety, water, structure. Then you negotiate reasonably and keep timelines tight. Inspect, triage, decide, negotiate, then move forward. Now the long middle, underwriting and paperwork. This is where delays happen. Weeks 4 to 7, underwriting plus appraisal plus documents. Buyers often think nothing is happening, but a lot is happening behind the scenes. This phase includes lender review, appraisal if applicable, title work, and document requests. Best practice, respond quickly, keep your financial picture steady, and avoid big changes unless you've confirmed them. They won't affect your process. Underwriting rewards speed and stability. Final week, closing prep, so you don't feel rushed. Weeks 7 and 8, final steps plus closing. Closing feels stressful when you're still making decisions. You do final walkthrough, confirm figures, and prepare move logistics. Have your utilities and move plan ready early, and keep your closing day light if you can. Closing is smoother when logistics aren't last minute. If you want this timeline as a printable checklist with my prep steps, grab the Hudson Valley Buyer Game Plan in the description.